Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 2180 4th Lane. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are, 2180 4th Lane. I'm trying to fix my camera for a second. Okay, you might also call it 2184 4th Lane. So right now on title, it's known as 2180 4th Lane, but physically 2184. So will get corrected with the county once the new buyer comes in. We do have a new roof on it, a new paint job on it. We're looking at a 2-bed, 1-bath, 768 square foot, great starter home on a 5,000 square foot lot. So our property line's gonna be over here by the fence line. And then we're gonna come all the way over here. So you could add a garage over here if you wanted to. But right now we've just got a concrete driveway leading into a dirt driveway. So our other property line is likely gonna be somewhere right along this tree line, just to give them space off of their house, some setback. And this house comes off of this side street this way. So this is actually their back. I will walk you around the back here pretty soon. But so we are in Erwin Lake in this neighborhood. And one thing to note is we do have paved streets over here, because sometimes in Erwin you have dirt roads. But this one's on a paved road. And you can see the whole exterior has been nice and updated, kind of like a gray slate tone with a white trim. And then the deck just got redone as well as the railing. So great starter neighborhood if you're looking for somewhere to live full-time. What is good about this one for full-time living is it does have washer dryer hookups, which is somewhat uncommon on smaller homes that are 2-1s. So coming in, we've got a vinyl and then a carpet, kind of original, but well maintained in here, super clean, super, you know, just easy. I mean, you could come through and just do new flooring and that be it. Door is in beautiful shape. And we're gonna go this direction first. So living room, kitchen, dining room, and then this direction is gonna be bedroom, bathroom. So coming into the living room, we do have nice vaulted ceilings, all of it drywalled in here. And we do have like an opening up above that shows, or it kind of gives you, like, you can hear into the kitchen, I guess. If you wanted to, the fridge is on the other side of that wall. I was thinking if you could bring that down a little bit. You could, because it's probably not load bearing. It's obviously not holding anything up right there. Be nice to get like a little eat-at counter right there. So here we are in the living room. Let me check out the windows here. We do have updated dual pane windows, a nice large ledge right here. And then we've got beautiful stone here outside the fireplace. And this one is going to be your old fashioned. It looks like it was stubbed out, but it does not have the gas line currently in there. But I think you could add that after the fact because it is there. So carpet's actually in good shape here. And then coming into the dining room and the kitchen, we're back to that same vinyl flooring that we saw at the very beginning. And kind of got like an ivory color on the walls. Really no need for a paint job. It's in really good shape. So dining room table, seat 6. And this is going to give us access to the backyard, but I'm going to do like a little walk around at the very end of the tour. So here we have the kitchen. Could get a full-size fridge in here if you wanted to. And then this is an oven or a space for a stove. I kind of just put the TV there too as a space holder. But our cabinetry, we've got Formica countertops and then some oak cabinetry, updated, super clean inside, pretty much new, unused, dual sink. There's that. And then we're gonna go into 2 of the bedrooms. So all the closets I've kind of put stuff in, so I'm gonna avoid kind of showing you that, but both rooms do have closets. So here we are in bedroom number 1. We've got probably a full-size bed here. I think it's not a queen, but you could easily get a queen or a king in here. And then kind of closets right over here, full-size closet. No doors on the closet right now, but we do have all new closet doors in the laundry room area. Again, that big wide window ledge right here as well. So then coming down the hallway, we've got another bedroom, bathroom, laundry room. And we are run off of a wall heater right here. So here we have bedroom number 2. Definitely a king size bed in here. And oops, I said I wasn't going to show the closet. Large closets. You could easily use this as a short-term rental. And then you could also use this obviously for primary home or secondary home like it has been used. So here we have the bathroom. So coming in, we've got that same vinyl flooring, a nice little kind of pedestal sink, toilet, and the shower. I've not cleaned out the shower, so I'm not gonna really show you too much. But clean, like an epoxy tub. And then here is where we have the doors I was telling you about. So we've got all new doors here that could be used to put back in the whole house. And then obviously we have the water lines right here too for the washer dryer hookup. And that goes back to being linoleum floor too. So let's take a little spin around the outside of the house. We'll go this way. I mean, obviously you could park 2 cars there, 1 in the front yard if you wanted to. Tons more back here. Loads of parking. Probably about 5-minute drive, 6-minute drive to the lake. Maybe about 7-8 minutes to the grocery stores. And then probably about 8-10 minutes to the ski slopes, just depending upon what day it is and what season it is. So here we have the back of the house, all been freshly painted, updated. Water heater is accessed right here. And then we have our meter right here that is covered. So super clean. The property line is going to be right here at the fence, following this fence. You do have a vacant lot back here where nobody has built, and you got this beautiful tree. You do get donkeys coming through the area. Live wild donkeys. And then see probably the property line right here. It's going to be this corner lot, corner right here. So fence going that way. All right, there you have it. It is $289. Let me know if you want to take a look. Talk to you soon. Bye.